Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix no audio device installed or found in Windows. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle, and you may see on the bottom right corner it shows no audio device installed. So I'm just trying to volume up and volume down, but it's in disable condition, it's not enabling. So let's see how to fix it. To fix, search and open services. Once you opened, the tab look like this, and scroll down and you may see the Windows audio. In that, now it's in manual condition. Just try to put it on automatic, and sometimes the start may be enabled. Just click start and apply it. After you applied, click OK, and also try to find Realtek. If you doesn't have any Realtek, it's not a matter, just leave it, and also set automatic for that too, same as apply and OK, and check for whether the problem is solved or not. If not, just try the next step. Most of the case the error will be solved. If not, try the next step. The next step is to update our driver and Windows. For that you need to enter into your settings, following Windows update, advanced settings and option updates. Here you may see any kind of audio or Realtek updates. In the sense, just download and install it. If not, it's not a problem. Try to update the Windows. Come back and try to update the Windows. Yeah, then after that, the next step is to enter into your device manager for updating your drivers. Try to find input device, audio input and output. If not, just click the view and click show hidden icons, and after that you may see the audio input and output. Try to update all the drivers. In some case it shows like enable device. If it shows just enable the device, why? Because now it's in disabled condition, so this may occur the error. So you may see like yeah, now the issue is solved because the Realtek audio is in disabled condition. That's why I told you to enable the device if it shows. So I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. Once it's done, restart the PC. If the issue is not solved, just plug out all the input and output device and hold the power button for 25 seconds, and then restart the system and plug in all the input and output device. The issue will be solved. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.